Hello, it's me again. Let's quickly check how you clean a microwave. I lost the microwave recently by just not cleaning the microwave. You always tend to push the thing back from the side, clean your surfaces of the kitchen, but here is a problem. Here where the air intake, there's a fan in the back. It sucks air, it blows air to cool the magnetron. So, but there was full of dust and hair and whatever. So let's just quickly open this microwave and see, just make sure you can check if this is blocked. Otherwise your microwave can't cool down and you will lost your microwave. Let's check, let's open the thing. There's a few screws in the back here. Never work on a microwave after you open the back. It is very dangerous. The thing will kill you. It will burn your eyes. Okay, do not remove this cover. Okay, now you can open this thing here. In the back is also a screw. Push it. Lift it. That's it. You can see all the dirt in the back here. And this open here. Let's just get this thing quickly here. Then you can quickly show you what's going on here. Put this in the light here. You can see here's the fan. You can see the dirt on the fan here. Okay, here's the magnetron sits here. See that fan sits there and it sucks the air from inside the microwave through there out the back here. But if this is blocked, this cavity, there's not enough air flow through here. Here's the electronics that control the program. Here's the door switch with the safety switches that you can't switch off the thing when the door is open. Here's the light. Here's a thermal switch. Just for overheating, it will switch off your device. Here's the incoming power supply, filter, fuse. And here's your transformer to take it from 220 input to 3000 volt or whatever the output input is of this magnetron. Here's your capacitor and your diode just to rectify the supply for your magnetron. Okay, as I said, what you need to do is just to go and clean, take a blow torch of a blow air gun and just clean your microwave and just take all the dust, maybe just clean it nicely. Just for interest sake, here's a very special coating in this metal to make sure the microwave doesn't interfere with the microwave. And obviously your door, this little grid here, make sure the 4.3 megahertz what your microwave is working doesn't penetrate, doesn't go through here, it blocks it. It's like a ground, and here is a very thin layer, this metal, just to close the area here. Here's the inside, this is a special coating for the microwaves not to interfere. And that airflow, you can see there's little holes there. Also that size of that holes, make sure there's no microwaves going through there. There's your light inside, and here's the magnetron. It's just underneath the glass, and the turntable motor in the bottom here. Okay, I'm gonna get my air gun and we're gonna quickly blow here. Take your air gun. take a brush and you can just quickly brush here, brush all this extra gunk here in the back. Make sure this micro doesn't have a lot of stuff there, that you can just clean this. I'm just gonna clean this blade quickly. You can see on the other side where the air comes out, all the steam of the food accumulates, the water damp. Look how they're rusted here. So shows you if you use it for cooking, then it's going to accumulate a lot of water here and it's going to start rusting here. Then we should have put a little hole in here so the water can drain somehow. And you get other microwaves that has an element in the top here, but this one hasn't got an element. There's no element here. You get ones like a broil element here that help with the chicken if you cook chicken. So okay, anyway, this is how to clean your microwave. Hope you enjoyed this video. Till next time, cheers.